On Teachers by Teachers, you can sell any kind of teaching resources in various formats: worksheets, flashcards, printables, digital resources, boom cards, also internet activities. On YouTube, you can find how to create worksheets and boom cards, but you will not find anyone who teaches you how to create interactive quiz step by step and how to sell them on Teachers by Teachers. So guys, if you want to learn how to create this wonderful interactive quiz step by step, I advise you to watch the video that I put in my Arabic channel. You will find the link in the description box. In this video, I will show you how to sell this quiz on Teachers by Teachers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to not miss any new video. Put a quick like on the video and let's get started. I extracted the interactive fraction quiz in the zip folder with a file containing all the data and an HTML link to enter directly into the quiz. Before uploading the product to TPT, I will design the how to use page, thank you page and credit page. I already have credit page and thank you page. I will design only how to use page because I use these pages with all the products I upload on TPT. Great! Now we will download the 3 pages as a PDF file and then add it to the product file. We extract the product from the zip file, then added the 3 pages to it and send it back to a zip file again. And change the name of the folder. So this folder is ready to be uploaded. Now let's go to Teachers by Teachers to upload the interactive fraction quiz. Click on Store icon, Product Listings, added a new product and choose Digital Download. We'll write the title, Interactive Digital Resources, Learn Fractions Using Shapes Quiz, etc. Try to use important keywords in the form of an understandable sentence in the title to increase sales opportunities. Select File from your computer and choose the zip folder. Well, we need to add a preview. You can add a preview PDF or a video preview. In this case, we have an interactive product, so it's better to add a video preview. I will take a screenshot while answering the quiz, then speed up the video a bit and upload it as a preview simply. We will also need to add the thumbnails, which can be designed by Canva with eyes, and the thumbnails must be in a square size. I am currently uploading thumbnails of the PowerPoint slides and then editing them later. In this video, I will only show you how to upload the interactive product to TPT. You can view the videos in the description box to learn how to design previews and thumbnails using Canva. We also write an attractive description and don't forget to add links to other products in your store in the description, as well as links to social media to increase sales opportunities as well. Price. Let's start with $3. Text code, select other digital code, no physical media. Categories, let's select preschool, kindergarten, and first grade. Also homeschool. Subject area, math, fractions, and back to school. Resource tip, internet activities for parents by TPT sellers to TPT sellers also. Custom categories. This section can be created through your store. You can add a certain number of custom categories and added similar products within a specific category. I previously created a back to school category. I will fix it. Good. In this place, you can edit the number of pages, if any, and here if the exercise with answers can be chosen, added, include answer key. Select the copyright. If you are the one who created the answer product, select the first option. I will choose the first option as well, and then finally click submit. Good. The product is now ready for sale on Teachers by Teachers. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you benefited from the video, please share it with your friends on social media. And if you want to know how to create this quiz step by step in the PowerPoint, watch the video in the description box. See you guys in a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.